If you want to check out how I make money online every single month and how you can too, click the first link in the description. Now let's get to this video. So when people talk about the live good opportunity, most people put it in the category of network marketing, right? But what a lot of people are missing is that it's actually a really good affiliate marketing opportunity as well. Because for all the network marketing haters that don't like the idea of like building teams and depending on other people, that's fine, because a lot of people are strictly using Live Good as a one-off affiliate program, right? Because every time you get somebody to join Live Good and become an actual affiliate of Live Good, you earn $25, all right? Now, for a lot of people, they're like, that's cool. Because there are a lot of programs out there where you only get, $25 commissions, maybe $30 commissions, and that's it. And you got to just keep it moving anyway to keep on generating new sales. But the cool thing about Live Good, for all the haters out there, so if you just look at it as a affiliate marketing program and you're just focusing on, hey, I'm just trying to get $25 commissions, that's cool. But guess what? Those $25 commissions are going to keep on paying you over and over again, because don't forget, you get a monthly recurring income. The network marketing side of things is going to put every affiliate commission you get, that person is going to fall into your matrix that you get paid on every month. Now, another dope part about the Live Good compensation plan is their 50% matching bonus. So think about this. You're straight looking for affiliate marketing program. You're like, okay, I dig Live Good. All right, let me just try to get these $25 commissions. All right. Now, don't forget, when you get these commissions, these people are underneath you in your matrix. Now, for every personal enrollee, you're going to earn a 50% matching bonus for whatever they earn in their matrix. So, damn it. How cool is this? Damn it. All right. So you got your thing, you're promoting your affiliate link, you get your first commission. The person who you referred to Live Good, you made $25. You keep it moving. You ain't even think about it no more. You're like, whatever, you on to the next, trying to get the next commission. But that person decides to go hard as hell. They take Live Good serious. They trying to make a killing with Live Good. And for whatever reason, maybe it took 6 months, maybe a year, they're starting to generate $5,000 from their Live Good matrix. Just because you bring them in, you're now going to start getting $2,500. And just think, it all started from one $25 commission. Think about that. So if you are just getting started with affiliate marketing and you're looking for an opportunity to promote, Live Good is definitely one to consider, mainly because like the products are actually good products and the opportunity is a damn good opportunity. So it'll be very easy for you to start promoting the Live Good opportunity. So I'm sure right now you're probably like, yo, this sound dope. How do I get started? You already know how to get started. All you need to do is click that first link in the description and I will see you on the team.